Hello everyone. So the course is Machine Design 2. Chapter name is Design Against Static Load, and today is the first lecture of first unit. So it consists of introduction. Okay. So machine design is the process of engineering design. A machine is made up of mechanisms that work together to satisfy the requirements of what the machine needs to accomplish. Okay? Mechanisms can still be used independently, such as an umbrella, but cannot accomplish what a machine can because a machine controls energy in addition to motion. Machine design takes into account kinetics and kinematics, which deal with motion and the forces on an object in motion. Machine design is applied through a specific process including determining what the machine needs to do, benchmarking and defining goals and requirements, brainstorming, evaluating and selecting from the different options, creating an in-depth design, creating and testing a prototype, and finally manufacturing the machine. So now, what is a machine design? Machine is a combination of linkages having definite motion and capable of performing useful work. Whereas machine design is creation of plans for the machine to perform the desired functions. Machine design can be defined as creation of right combination of correctly proportioned moving and stationary components so constructed and joined as to enable the liberation, transformation and utilization of energy. Scientific principles, technical knowledge and imagination are used to develop a machine or mechanical system to perform specific functions with maximum economy and efficiency. It includes the creation of new better machines or improving the existing ones. Okay? Machine design requires the knowledge of basic and engineering sciences such as physics, mathematics, engineering mechanics, strength of materials, theory of machines, thermodynamics and heat transfer, vibrations, fluid mechanics, metallurgy, manufacturing processes and engineering learning. Here the most of the papers I think have been covered before in the previous semesters. So also machine design, this is 2, but I have covered machine design 1 course also in the previous semester. So I think it will not be useful, but still I will give the introduction. Okay, in machine design, the designer's task is to determine the forces, motions and energy transfer involved so as to determine the sizes, shapes and materials for each element of the machine. When any component of machine ceases to perform its intended function, machine element or machine is said to have failed. Generally, the machine elements are designed on the basis of strength and rigidity so that they are able to withstand the applied load with permissible deformation or stress. In addition to strength and stiffness, other factors that are considered in design of machine element are weight, cost, wear, safety, reliability, etc. Design work may involve concentrating on one component at a time, but it is very important to simultaneously consider its relation with the other components and the product as a whole. In machine design, as in any other kind of design, no standard procedure or rigid rules can be specified for the designer, but the following steps are generally followed. Number 1. Problem to be solved or desired purpose of the machine is completely and clearly stated. It should be crystal clear about the problem. Point 2. Possible mechanisms that will provide the desired motion or set of motions are selected. Forces acting on and energy transmitted by each element of the machine are determined. Best suitable material is selected for each of the machine elements. Allowable values of stress and deflection are determined for each machine element depending upon its material and functional requirements. Size and shape of each machine element is determined so that it can withstand the applied loads without failure. Dimensions of the machine elements are modified considering manufacturing aspects. Assembly and detailed drawings of the machine are made with complete specification of materials and manufacturing methods. Okay, for designing a machine, we have to go through design considerations. As discussed in a previous article, strength and stiffness are very important factors that are considered in machine design, but there are a number of other considerations as well that the designer has to keep in mind when designing any product. Some of the important factors considered in design are listed below. Functionality, number 1. Number 2, strength. We need to have the strength of any product that we design. Next, stiffness. Number 4, wear. Number 5, corrosion. I think these factors I have already been discussed in machine design 1 previously. So I will just go through these factors. Next, thermal properties, surface finish, lubrication, friction, weight, noise, shape, size, very important factor, that is safety, reliability, manufacturability, utility, maintenance, liability, yes, cost, it must be a cost effective, life, styling, control, volume, marketability, remanufacturing. Okay, so with this I conclude lecture 1. See you in lecture 2. Thank you.